beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a huge empties to get through, to the point where I've actually took them out of the bag. We've got them in sections, organised, ready to get filming. If you are new here, by the way, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And let's just get straight into this huge empties. We have kind of a miscellaneous category, we've got a full makeup category and a full skincare category as well. If you're wondering what lip combination I've got on, because I'm doing this in every single video now, I've got the Spice Up Your Life lip liner from Doll Beauty, and I've got the brand new Revolution Glamour lipstick. This one's in the shade Extra Fancy, so it just looks like this. This is their Christmas collection. I've this full like eyeshadow and highlight and lipstick is all from their Christmas collection. If the video is already up of me reviewing it all, which I think it most likely probably will be, I will leave it linked down below. So I think we'll start with what I think is the most exciting category, which is the makeup. So I have quite a few. I've got quite a few mascaras, so I'll go through them ones first. So we've got like 4 that I've used up. I've been trying to use up my mascaras that are already open before I open a new one up. The first one is the Milk Kush mascara. This just looks like this. I'm not gonna lie, I was really disappointed with this. I got this in a gift set when I went to Paris last year. There's definitely still some left in there, but it's that bad I literally don't want to use it anymore. I've used it up as much as I can, but every single time that I put it on, I hate how my lashes look. So I'm just like, I'm sick of wearing it. I can't give it to anybody else because of hygiene reasons or anything like that. So yeah, I'm just going to get rid of that. Then we have the YSL Baby Doll Mascara, which obviously is quite expensive and quite bougie. I again got this in a gift set. Oh my god, this was years ago and I just never opened it. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like it. I think I probably would buy it again if it was on offer, or if it was like in a gift set again. I would definitely check it out. But I just think for the price, you can definitely get really good mascaras that are cheaper. Speaking of cheap mascaras, the next one that I've used up is the Primark PS False Lash Queen mascara. So this is just what she looks like. I actually preferred using this one over the Milk one. That's how much I didn't like the Milk, but also how much I like this one as well. And this is just what she looks like. Really enjoyed it. I would probably buy this again if I just desperately needed to grab a mascara, but I always feel like with mascaras, you always wanted to try like the next new one. Like at the moment, I've got on the Charlotte Tilbury mascara on the top of my eyes, and then underneath I have this next product because I found the Charlotte Tilbury one really smears underneath, whereas, I mean, this one does smear, but nowhere near as much. So this is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. You know I absolutely love this. I will buy this again and again and again. I have quite a few little minis ready to start using, but I do have a few other mascaras that are still open and on the go, so I will definitely use them ones up first. But yeah, I really like this Bad Girl Bang one. It's really black as well, so if you're struggling to find a mascara that is black enough, I would definitely recommend trying Benefit's Bad Girl Bang. Pick up a mini or get it in a gift set or something for Christmas and see what it's like, see what you think of it. Before we go on to the powders that I've used up, I've actually used up an eyelash glue, which I'm actually quite proud of myself for. This is the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive. I got this from Beauty Bay, and I'm not gonna lie, it's probably one of the best eyelash adhesives that I've ever tried. Like eyelash glue, that did not focus at all, I do apologise. It's actually even better than Duo. I do think it's a lot better. I feel like it dries quicker and gets tacky a lot quicker as well, so you can apply the lash. So I would definitely buy that again, but I have quite a few other lash ones already open, and I also have some that are unopened as well, so I won't be buying any new ones or repurchasing it anytime soon. So I have used up quite a few powders, like 2 loose ones and 1 kind of normal one. The first one, like the pressed one, is from the brand Face Stockholm. This was actually sent to me a good couple of years ago and I absolutely loved it. It's the powder foundation in late August. I literally just can't seem to get like a good amount on my brush to use it up fully. So yeah, would actually recommend it, but I don't really know where you can purchase it. I've never seen it on like a UK website or anything, which is why I never really used to use it in my videos, because it wasn't really as accessible. So yeah, anyways, the next one is the 17 Miracle Matte Loose Powder. She just looks like this. This one's just in the shade Translucent. I just dropped her. She's just in the shade Translucent. I actually didn't really use her very much for makeup. I used her a lot as dry shampoo, so I was like just kind of tapping it into my roots and then blending it in. A lot of the time through kind of lockdown and stuff, when I didn't have a chance to obviously, or I couldn't go to a shop, then I was using like my powders, like my more cheaper powders. I think that one cost me like £1.50, so really that was a lot cheaper than using the spray dry shampoo, and it worked really well. So if you run out of like dry shampoo and you desperately need something, I would try using one of your loose powders, just a cheap one, but yeah, really good. The next one is definitely not a cheap one. This is a Laura Mercier one. This is her loose setting powder in, again, Translucent, and it just looks like this. I also have a little mini of this in my drawer as well. I must have used this up ages ago and just not realised when it was in my drawer that it's all gone. So I actually can't remember what I thought of it, whether I liked it, whether I was amazed by it, whether it lived up to the hype. I literally have no clue, so I'm going to try the mini one and see what that one's like, and then that will let me know whether I need to buy a bigger version of it or not. Next we have skincare, which I'm actually quite proud of myself for using some of these up, because I'm not really one for using up skincare. Like, I just don't seem to get through things very quickly. Obviously, I have used up some wipes, which is just kind of normal for me. These are ones that I got free. I got these free when I bought certain things. So yeah, these are like the number 7 wipes. These are the revitalising cleansing wipes. You get 30 wipes per pack, and obviously I just got these for free when I bought stuff in Boots. I don't know if they are biodegradable, which are what were the ones that I would normally buy, so I'm not entirely sure. It doesn't say anything on it, which is such a shame, because I feel like it's a waste, especially when they're kind of giving it out as like a freebie as well. They should definitely be giving out biodegradable ones, not ones that obviously are just going to sit in the earth forever. But anyways, the next one is some more little wipes. These were the Pixie Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloth, and you got 10 of these in here. And these were in the chamomile and rose scent. I got sent these off Pixie in a PR parcel, and I must admit I do not like these at all. They're not very moist, like they're not very, I'm gonna have to just say it, they're not very wet, they're quite dry, and I feel like it didn't really get anything off. Like, it didn't really melt my makeup, didn't really take my makeup off properly. I found I was using this when I just needed to like wipe something off my hands and not to take it off my face, or if I was like changing between eye looks or whatever. They were just not good at all. I would not recommend them. So for actual skincare, I've actually used a full moisturiser, which I'm so proud of myself. This is the Embryolisse, a multi-function nourishing moisturiser. I could not get my words out then. I'm filming and there's people in the house, in case you haven't realised, with all of the things that I've said wrong and all the words I can't pronounce. It's just my anxiety playing with my brain. Anyways. So I've used up the Lancome Bifacial or Instant Cleanser. I've used this baby up. I absolutely love this. If you have like a really stubborn mascara or just like a lot of eye makeup on, I would literally put this on your cotton pad and just hold it onto your eye for a couple of seconds, and it just melts it all away. Like, it's so good. It does leave a bit of an oily residue, so do bear that in mind, especially if you do wear contact lenses like me as well. Just give it like a bit of an oily residue, but you can easily just wipe that off, and it's amazing. Absolutely love them kind of like oil cleansers because it just gets so much off. I've used up the Clinique eye cream as well, which you'll have seen me use in some videos too. And then I've also used up this, the writing's like completely worn off it. This was the Dermaworks brow serum to help make your brows grow. I honestly think this made such a huge difference to my brows a bit more thicker. I really do. And I was literally like scraping this out when it came to using it up. So I'm actually quite gutted that it's completely run out. But that was very kindly gifted to me. So I'm really glad, because it's actually really affordable, especially compared to the Revitalash serum. So I would definitely buy that again. I would actually buy that over the Revitalash or Revitabrow, whatever it's called, just because I know that it works as well and it's cheaper. So the rest of the stuff is quite miscellaneous. I've got a lot of candles. Let's get these ones out of the way. I don't know if I've mentioned this in a video, but I'm currently on kind of like a candle ban. Not that I buy candles very often. However, when I moved house, I was like, God, I've got a lot of candles that I'm just not making my way through. And I realised it's because my mum didn't like me lighting candles, because we had an incident at home where one exploded, and if my mum wasn't in the same room, it literally would have burnt the house down. Like, it would have just set a full fire in the front room and the whole house would have went. So now obviously when I have a candle on, I always make sure that I'm in the room, and I always blow it out when I do leave the room, or if I'm leaving the room for like a long period of time, I'll always make sure that I blow the candle out. But I've been managing to get through them a lot because I've been working from home. So a lot of the time I'm in the same room 9 to 5 for 4 days a week. So yeah, I've been managing to make my way through them. So we have this one, which is from Therapy. They have like a little shop. I think they're quite a popular brand, not just like where in Newcastle, but they have a little shop in Newcastle in Metro Centre, and they do like hair laser removal and stuff like that. I went to like their opening day, like the launch day and stuff, and that was in the little goodie bag. And I've literally just finished burning that one today. That one was really nice. It's like a lemony scent. I don't think you can buy them, but it was really nice anyway. We have another one from Primark. I think I had the green one or the red one in my last empties. And this is just the Christmas Bacon Fragrance Wax Fill Candle. I don't really know what scent this was. It doesn't really say. Obviously, I don't know if it was just Christmas bacon. I can't remember. It smells nice, but it doesn't kind of shout to me a certain scent, if that makes sense. And then we have this one, which my friend Laura got me for my birthday. It's a little bit a little bit burned. Yeah, I don't know how that's happened. But this is from the brand Party Light, and I thought this was going to be a lot better than what it was. So this is the raspberry and thyme one, and I don't know if you can see on the side, but I really struggled to get it to burn evenly all the way down. The same for like the next one that I'm going to show you, and this one's still like stuck all up the side. So yeah, I just found that when I was like scraping it, yeah, I was not impressed, and I know how much these candles cost. I know this will have cost Laura quite a lot. But it was nice. I actually had it burning like just above my desk. So when I was at work and I was looking up, I just saw this and it reminded me of my little Laura, my best friend. And then the last one is the Gin and Strawberry scented candle. This one, I have no clue where I got this from. I think I probably got it in like a gift set off somebody for Christmas. And it just looks like this. And as you can see, so much of it is like stuck to the side, like it doesn't burn down evenly. Like, is it just, am I doing something wrong with these candles? Like, why aren't they burning properly? I don't know. We have a couple of scents. So we have the B&By Sanctuary Spa Salted Caramel and Macadamia Body Mist. Just looks like this. Completely used hair up, would definitely repurchase. Smell is amazing. It's basically a dupe for the Laura Mercier, one of the Laura Mercier scents as well, so would highly recommend. The shower gel is gorgeous as well. And then we have this one, which is from the brand Marley. This is a room mist, and this is 100ml. Just looks like this. When I first got this, I actually really liked the scent of it. I think I like the smell of it when it's like this, but when you spray it around the room, I don't know, it didn't work for me. I don't know if I've just changed over the years, and yeah, it just didn't work for me. We actually ended up using this, maybe be a bit too much information, but we actually ended up just having this in the bathroom for after we've done our business, just having a little spit. So yeah, that's how we ended up using it up. But I noticed as well when I was like taking it out of the bathroom to like obviously mention in my video, it says on the back that obviously that it's toxic for the environment, but then it says that the brand is against animal testing. And I just think, if you're against animal testing, would it not just make sense to make sure that whatever you're making isn't going to be toxic for the environment? I don't know, but yeah, I won't be buying that again. Couple of shower gels. These are just the Superdrug ones that smell like cocktails. We have the Strawberry Martini and the Pink Fizz. Obviously, I've used up a Batiste because it just wouldn't be an empties video without some dry shampoo in, and it being Batiste as well. So this is just the blonde one. Use that one up. I've already got 2 big full-size ones in my everyday drawer, and I've also got a mini one as well. We'll always repurchase. And then I also have used up these from Liquid Health. These are the LQ Liquid Health supplements for skin, hair and nails. It's a 10-day pack. I actually kept one of the little things to show you. So this is what it looks like. I've actually done a full video doing a review of like the before and afters and what I thought of it, because this has been sent to me in the past, and this box as well has been sent to me. I used this up quite a while ago, and I've actually got the new packaging and the new box on the go currently as well, and I'm finding it's making such a huge difference to my nails and especially my hair, because I am trying to strengthen my hair and get it to grow out and get back to how long it used to be, because it is quite short for me. Like, it is quite a short hair for me. Normally my hair is really, really long, and then it just kind of got ruined. So yeah, would highly recommend, really like them. And I think we're done, boys and girls. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and this empties. Is there anything that you've used up recently that you would definitely repurchase or that you'd tell me to avoid? Please leave it in the comments and I'll hopefully see you in a brand new video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.